Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger notification problem. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's jump right in. Go to the setting of your mobile. Scroll down and search for the notifications and control center. Here you can see app notification. Search for the app. Here you can see I have turned off all of my Facebook Messenger notifications. To turn on that and to fix that problem, I can simply just turn on the notification, and here you see you will be able to check all of the Facebook Messenger notification. So that was super easy. Hope you guys like my video and hope this video will be helpful for you.